Okay, guys, welcome back. And
tomorrow morning, we gotta get up
remember,
at 6 a.m. to do
this is my YouTube channel, Bristol Pingleton. And please subscribe and like, because I'm going to maybe make merch. Can I make merch?
Yes, you can make merch.
Yay!
But it's gotta only be made out of mashed potato merch.
Ignore that.
Ignore that. What's up, Russ?
Can we go outside?
Yeah?
Okay, we're gonna go outside.
Have fun.
Dad, could you come with?
I don't know how to go outside.
Yes, you do. This is a crazy video. And I'm literally loving birds. And it looks like the wind blew the plate that I put the seeds on. Zoom in. Do you see like little white stuff?
There you go. Wait, where'd our food thing go for the birds?
It's over here.
Oh, did the wind blow it?
Yeah. So, I've been looking out for lots of birds, lots of animals, and we are going to set a bird trap and try to trap a bird. It's going to be the best. We are going to get my own pet bird. And as you know, what is it? Where? Around here. Do you see that bird? Do you see how close that bird was? We were so close to a bird. But that was, do you see on the, it flew. Okay. Okay, so I need to show you this weird thing that is on my palm tree. Oh, there's two birds. Now there's only one. Well, we are finding multiple bits of birds. I'm gonna just go walk over to it and see if it. This is also my neighbor's. Okay. Bird flew. We need to show you my palm tree that we bought a couple days ago. So we bought it and there was like white stuff on it, and my dad thinks it's poison. And there was a bird up there. So, oh, butterfly! Butterfly, do you see that? That was a beautiful butterfly. And yes, again, please subscribe. So I think this is the end of the video, so thanks for watching and bye.